This video is for every DevOps expert who has ever wanted to expand into the AI. Let me take you on a journey. Imagine you're an architect who has designed most efficient skyscrapers. Every floor, every room is optimized. Now, you're asked to design smart buildings, structures that can learn, adapt, and even heal themselves. Now, that's the opportunity the AI brings to your DevOps expertise. DevOps has always been about efficiency and scalability. But let me tell you this, the harsh truth is those pipelines, those deployments, they are becoming the table stakes. The real innovators are merging DevOps with AI to build a system that can think for themselves. And those innovators, they're not waiting right now, they are the one who are leading today. Do you ever feel like you're doing everything right, yet missing out on the most exciting wave in tech? The wave that's defining the business as how it will operate for the next decade. Here's the thing, guys, the DevOps experts have an edge. You already understand the automation. You already understand the infrastructure as a code and how the systems would think. And those are the exact foundations, the AI workflows we need. The tools like TensorFlow, SageMaker, Kubernetes, they are not the foreign concepts. They are just the extension of what you already know. So think about it. If you can automate a deployment pipeline, why not automate the data processing pipeline? If you can scale the applications to the millions of users, why not scale the AI model itself that drive those applications? The overlap, let me tell you this, it's bigger than what you think. Now, the question is, how would you start? Now, let me tell you, it's simpler than you imagine. Just learn the basics of AI and map your DevOps skills to AI. Now, when it comes to learning the basics of AI, just understand the data lifecycle, cleaning, training, deploying. And in order to do this, you don't need a PhD, just have a practical knowledge. Then map your DevOps skill to the AI. Now, in that case, use the tools like Jenkins or GitHub Action in order to automate the machine learning workflows. Next, experiment with AI platform. So there are various platforms. To give you an example, AWS SageMaker, Google AI platform, they are built for people like you who already know how the cloud ecosystems would work. And then the fourth step is build your first AI powered pipeline. So just think about automation, not just the deployment, but also the model training and the updates. I've helped hundreds of DevOps professionals to transition to AI, and the results are transformative. They're not just automating the infrastructure right now, they're automating the intelligence. And that's the power of the members in our community. Now, the future of tech is not just about managing the system, it's in creating the system that think, adapt, and evolve. As a DevOps expert, you basically have the tools, the mindset, and the experience to lead this revolution. So don't let that fear of the unknown hold you back. AI is not a different word, guys. It's the next level of the one that you already master. So take the first step today. Join the free MLOps for DevOps course that we have got in our community and understand how you can combine the DevOps with AI. And more importantly, once you join the community, you can experience more through the other workshops that we'll be conducting so that you can learn more about how you can combine the DevOps with AI and unlock your full potential. I'll see you on my community, and I'll see you next time.